Hi guys, welcome back to the Aspiring Home Cook. My name is Trisha and in today's video I'm going to show you how I make my vegan replacement for Parmesan cheese. A lot of us, myself included, thought that it would be so very hard to give up cheese. I really loved my cheese, so that was one thing I thought I'd miss when I switched to a plant-based diet. So today I'm going to show you one really quick and easy recipe that will help you replace Parmesan cheese in recipes. So whether it's a pasta, a salad, or any other recipe that calls for it, this handy little mix adds so much flavor to those recipes and lifts them up. Personally, I don't ever miss the real thing. So if you're someone that's been trying to cut down on dairy or cheese, or if you have a dairy intolerance and you're looking for a dairy-free version, I know that plant-based cheese replacements can be really pricey in store. This little recipe hits the spot when it comes to needing a grate of Parmesan cheese over recipes, and I hope you like it too. So let's go straight on to the recipe. Now I'm using my little spice grinder or dry grinder for the recipe today. I'm going to start off by adding in half a cup of raw cashew nuts. This is the unsalted and unroasted variety. To this I'm going to add half a teaspoon of garlic powder, about 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, and half a teaspoon of salt. You can adjust this amount of salt to taste. Now simply pop the lid on, and since I'm using a grinder, I just pulse it in short bursts till I'm left with a nice powder. If you're using a food processor, you'll be able to tell exactly when it has reached this stage. And that's it, your vegan Parmesan cheese is ready. You can use it straight away or store it in a clean, dry container. Today, I'm just reusing an old pesto sauce jar that I picked up from the shops a while ago. Anything that you have on hand will work. Just make sure that it is clean and dry on the inside. Pop the lid on and store this in the refrigerator. And whenever a recipe calls for Parmesan cheese, you can use some of this stuff instead. I really enjoy sprinkling this over pasta and in salads as well. How quick and easy was that? This nifty recipe comes together in under 5 minutes and has become one of the staples to have on hand. I always have a little jar of this in the fridge. Try it out, you'll see why. So guys, that was my plant-based Parmesan cheese replacement recipe. I hope you enjoyed today's quick and easy recipe. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with family and friends that you think might enjoy it too. If you're new here and haven't done so already, please hit that little red subscribe button, and once you do, click on that bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you really soon with another delicious recipe. So till then, take care. Bye.